Hello guys. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. I with my friend wanna podcast about the title about career conversation, navigating the job market, tips for success. Okay, let's.
Hello,
Hello.
welcome back to Career Conversation, the product where we explore the ins and outs of the job market, share tips for change growth, and interview industry express. I'm your host Alex.
I am Jamie. Today we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind, navigating the job market. Whatever your recent graduate, looking to the corporate ladder, we've got some valuable insight for you.
Absolutely, Jamie, the job market can be overwhelming, especially with the rapid change in technology and the economy. So let's start with the basic. Where are you some case time for job search today?
Great question. First and foremost, networking is crucial. It's not just about what you know. Great question. First and foremost, networking is crucial. It's not just about what you know, but who you know. Attend industry event, join professional organization, and don't underestimate the power of social media platform like
Right, LinkedIn is a fantastic tool. Make sure your profile is up to date and don't be afraid to reach out to connection for information interview. It's a great way to learn more about event and make follow contacts.
actually and speaking learning. Continuous education is vital. Whether it's taking online courses, attending workshop, or even reading. Industries related books. Staying current can set you apart from other candidates.
That's a good point. Employers are looking for candidates who are professional about the professional development. Now, let's tell about resumes. What are some tips for crafting a strong resume?
First, tailor your resume for each job application. Highlight the skill and experience that are most relevant to the position. Use action verbs and quantify your achievement when possible. For example, instead of saying responsible for managing a team, say it a team of 10 to achieve uh, 12 increase in sales.
Great advice. And don't forget about the cover letter. It's your chance to show your personality and explain what you are a great fit from the role. Make it personal and specific to the company.
Absolute. Now let's shift gears and talk about interviews. Interviews. What are some tips for making a great impression?
Okay, prepare its key. The company instead is culture and be ready to discuss how your skills and with the needs. Fantastic common interview quotation, but also prepare for behavioral contest that is how you handle first station.
And remember to ask questions. It shows your interest in the role and helps your determine if the company is the right fit for you.
Excellent. Now, before we wrap up, let's hear some records. What are something to be tools your comment for job seekers?
I love using Glassdoor for company review and salary information. Also, sites like Indie and LinkedIn are great for job listing. And don't forget about local job board and community resource.
Great suggestion. And for those looking to improve their skill, platform that course on Udemy and LinkedIn of a wide range of course.
Perfect. Well, that's all the time we have for today's episode. We hope you found these tips helpful as you navigate the job market.
Thanks for tuning into Care Conversation. Don't forget to subscribe and join us next week while we discussing how to make your salary every day.
See you next time.
Yes.
Feel free to modify any part of the script to be better fit your style or the specific focus of yourself. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.